Hello, my name is Ahmad Fakih Wulaya. I will practice here how to install a power outlet according to standard. Okay, firstly prepare tools and materials. Number 1, such as striping pliers. Number 2, needle nose pliers. Number 3, combination pliers. Number 4, screwdrivers. Number 5, cable power. Number 6, power sockets. Number 7, electrical plug. Okay. Secondly, measure the cable as needed. Then strip it using combination pliers and striping pliers. Next, open the bolt on the power plug and plug the cable into the power plug. Next, peel the cable on the other side, then open the bolt on the socket. Okay, next, open the socket and plug the cable into the socket. Okay, next continuity using a voltmeter on the socket and electrical plug. Next, install the bolt on the socket and then connect the power source. Okay, next test the voltage of the socket using a voltmeter by turning the AVO measuring limit to the 250. Nah, 250. Then insert into the socket hole. If the voltage Next, if the voltage at the power outlet is normal, the power outlet is ready to use. Okay, that is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.